So let's learn about this course a little bit more, right? Let's find out what's in this course and what it isn't. Okay, so this course is a practical and legitimate approach to making money. So we're going to walk you through a service as well as a back end, so you'll have both elements you need to generate revenue selling videos. This also opens up the doors to other opportunities. You could upsell things. You could sell SEO, paid advertising, websites, whatever you'd like. It actually opens the door to sell a lot. Now, you can do very well just doing video and nothing else, but upsells are a great way to raise your end customer value. So this course teaches you the approach, how to get in there, what steps you need to do this day in, day out, or even just a few days a week to make some extra money or to turn it into a real business, making tens of thousands of dollars per month. Now, what this course is not, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You need to put work into this business in order to get something out. There is no theory or conjecture here. This is all proven tactics that have been working for years. This is not affiliate marketing. You're not promoting affiliate products. You're not building a list and all that. Obviously, you want to build a customer list. That's just good business practice. But you're not, chasing down leads, building a list, sending emails, and trying to sell other people's products. You are actually selling your own product, which is a video or a video campaign. There's no door knocking. You don't have to chase anyone down. You don't have to hit the streets, knock on the door. If you are a hungry person-to-person salesman, you could sell this service doing that, but it's not required. And of course, this isn't multi-level marketing. You don't have to sign people up to get paid. It doesn't work like that. This is a legitimate business model.